What is adverbs? An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, another adverb, or a whole sentence. Adverbs typically answer one of these questions: how, manner, when, time, where, place. To what extent? Degree. How often? Frequency. Here are some examples of adverbs. Adverbs of manner: quickly, slowly, carefully, happily, sadly. Adverbs of time: now, yesterday, tomorrow, soon, later. Adverbs of place: here, there, up, down, inside, outside. Adverbs of degree: very, really, quite, somewhat, a little. Adverbs of frequency: always, often, sometimes, never, rarely. Here are some examples of how adverbs can be used in sentences. The cat ran quickly across the street. The birds sang happily in the trees. The meeting will be held tomorrow at 10 a.m. The vase fell off the table and broke. I am very tired today. I sometimes go to the movies on the weekend. Conclusion: adverbs are a useful tool for adding detail and precision to our writing and speech. By understanding how to use adverbs effectively, we can make our writing more interesting and informative.